Alrighty, today we are going to be making some bronze in the barn. I've been waiting to do this again for quite a while. So I've got some copper here. It's been soldered. I don't feel like unsoldering it. And it's all lead-free solder. So this will be slightly unclean, but it'll be good enough because bronze is kind of a broad term. But the way I've done this is I've taken the all this copper I have here, and I've weighed it out, divided it by 89, multiplied that number by 11, and used that to weigh my tin here, which I'm actually using pewter, but that is like 99% tin. And there's actually a brick of bronze right there, so we're gonna mix that in with it too. So it's 11% tin, 98% copper. I'm gonna melt it all down, make a nice cube, or as close to a cube as we can. We might actually have a little bit too much for the cube mold, but I think it'll be all right. And yeah, we're gonna melt that down in our tiny crucible. That's currently in a bonfire, preheating, getting the moisture out and whatnot. So we'll dump that in there, toss that in the furnace, and get that going. In here somewhere. Oh, this is hot, 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 hot. Oh boy. Should be right in the middle there. So let's put these down for a second. Oh, this is so uncomfortable to be standing this close to. I moved it around a couple of times just because I wanted to keep it in the middle for maximum heating. But come on, where are you? Ugh. Where the hell did it go? I know it was right here. It was literally like 5 minutes ago before I went over to the barn to record that bit. Ah, there it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. All right, let's grab it. Here. The fire, weirdly enough, smells a little bit like cucumber. All right, that cleaned it out real nice. We're still gonna give it a little bit of a scrubbing because there's a little bit of zinc left in there, and we don't want zinky bronze. We want bronze. Yeah, that'll all come out real good. All right, let's carry this back. And we're back. So let's get that top door opened up before we melt anything. That'll help evacuate any smoke that is stuck in here. And it's nice and warm. Let's get our other lights turned on too real quick. Just for a little bit extra lighting in here. And yeah, let's get that top opened up. And I look across my domain. You may be thinking, wow, it's a terrible idea to be melting in here. You can catch this whole place on fire. No, I won't. Just trust me. Source, trust me, bro. All right, yeah, let's clean that out first before we put anything in here. All right, crucible's all cleaned out. Now let's start loading her up. I'm gonna start with all the copper bits. There's also a bunch of dust at the bottom here. and we'll dump that in later. And then we're adding the bronze piece, the already made bronze piece. That is actually from the bronze belt buckle, but I don't think I ever posted that video. Maybe I did. I might have. There's a lot of videos that I make that I never end up posting. So yeah, we're gonna melt that, wait till that's mostly melted, and then add all of our tin here, our pewter. Upon second thought, I'll just add the tin now, as well as all that dust. All right, gas on. Oh, I haven't heard that sound in so long. Zap test. Ow, it zapped me. That's not good. Anyways. All right, hold on. Let's get the lid off. Lid is off. Why isn't it going? I keep getting zapped too. Come on, man. What the hell? Oh, come on. What is the deal with this? Hold on. What? We've got a problem. Gloves. There we go. Jeez Louise, I think the battery is dying. Or we got a loose wire or something. I don't know what the deal is with that, but something about that needs to be fixed ASAP. But yeah, let's get the lid on. And let's crank that gas up to 10. That's probably a little over. Oh wow, that's way overkill. Like 8. Woo! We just started that not long ago, like a minute ago. Nice. We're heating up really good, really fast. That steel in there is already glowing red hot, so the steel mesh at the bottom. Let's check in on that golden goodness. Oh boy, here, let's zoom in a little bit. Give a little poking around. Oh yeah, we're melty at the bottom there. You focus? Yup. Well, that's coming together. Once it is all melted, we're gonna flux it with some borax over there. And once it is all fluxed, deslag it. There shouldn't be too much slag, especially after fluxing, but deslag it if there's any slag to deslag, and pour into mold. I'm preheating this one just because I want a nice, good surface finish, and I don't want it to explode on me. So, and it is all melted. So we're gonna toss in a little bit of borax. Let that get in there. I'm gonna give it a little bit of mixy. Oh yeah, you can see that beautiful surface finish now after the borax. A lot of smoke though. So it is time to pour. Oh boy, that is hot. There's not much slag, solid slag, so we're just gonna go straight for the pour. Money shot. All right, good. Good stuff, good stuff. Let's see if it's actually ready to come out. I think it is. We only had a little bit of spillage. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful cube there. Absolutely gorgeous. It's still very soft, so I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Now I'm just gonna try and scrape as much out of the crucible as I can. Oh, and it's catching fire. There's a little bit of crap left in the bottom of this pan that is melting. The pan's not melting, but the crap is. It's plastic. PLA from 3D printing filament. There we go. And, oh, come on. Knock it off. You're so dramatic. You're just plastic being exposed to multi-thousands degrees. That melted in no time whatsoever. I love this furnace so much. But yeah, let's let that cool off. Actually, you know what? Maybe we'll quench it. Yeah, we'll quench it. Let's quench it in the pond. Oh yeah, I've got a massive pond now. Fun fact. So let's drop these down and I'll meet you at the pond. We're still glowing a little bit. I'm very careful not to drop this. No longer glowing, but we got a nice rainbowy texture, as typical with my bronze. Let's walk it over here. This won't do anything to the pond other than make it a tiny tad bit warmer in this one spot, because this is just cooling it off. Can you hear that? And we're cool. Look at that golden bronze. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go weigh this thing now that it's nice and cool and see what our yield is. Here we have it. Nice bar of bronze. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. We'll put that in with the slag. 349 grams. 12 ounces. Nice. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, I guess that's the video for today. That's bronze for you. I've had that dirty copper for a while. I say dirty because it had the solder on it. I didn't know what to do with it. I thought, you know, next time I have just a bunch of random metals or unidentifiable metals, I'll just melt them all together again. But last time we did that, we ended up with a cursed ingot. That was the worst ingot I've ever had to deal with. Caused me so much trouble, cost me so much money. But I thought, you know what? The solder is mostly tin. Let's just make some bronze. So yeah, here's our bronze. Not bad at all. I'm very pleased with the video today. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, drop a like and please subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below any ideas you have for future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day and keep on making.